Welcome back guys, I believe you are doing great. Today we are going to discuss about annotated sequence, add messages, tools and tool node. So basically we already know about type dictionary and let's see what is annotated. Annotated provides additional context without affecting the type itself. So what does that mean? So for example, we have a variable that is marks and its type will be an integer. So type dictionary tells that marks type will be an integer, but what if we want extra detail with that, like marks will be between 0 to 100, then what we have to do? So for that purpose we use annotated basically adds extra detail or metadata without affecting the type itself. So here I am saying marks will be an annotated of integer, and here in this quotation marks we add extra metadata or extra detail. Here we are saying it will be between 0 to 100. Let me just run these. If you want to print the metadata, you simply print marks dot metadata. Let me just run it. It is saying between 0 to 100. So actually our LLMs use this metadata. Now let's see what is sequence. We have different kind of sequence like list, tuples, range and string. So one way is to write this. We are saying X will be a list or tuple or range or string. It is one method. Other method is we simply type X will be a sequence. It either will be list, tuple, range or string. We don't have to worry about what sequence it will be, but it will be any sequence. System message is basically the instruction we tell to the LLMs in the start, like how to behave. For example, we say you are expert math teacher, or the another example maybe you are a helpful assistant that answers the user's question. Okay, another is tool message. Tool message is the message type that we received after executing a tool. It may contain the result of tool or tool ID maybe. So that tool message we pass to the LLMs, and on the basis of that content, LLMs generate the response. Another message type is base message. So base message is basically the base class of all these messages type. These all messages are inherited from this base message. Another thing is add messages. Add messages is a reducer. So what is reducer basically? Without a reducer, updates would have been replaced the existing values entirely. So for example, we have state messages. In messages there is hello. Then we update our state and we add this message, how are you? Our final state will be how are you? This message will replace the previous state or previous message. So when we use the reducer, in the start we have only hello, then we add this message, how are you? Then our updated or final state will be hello, how are you? Now we have previous message as well as new message. Then from LangChain code or tools we import the tools. Tools basically are the extra functionalities we give to the LLMs. So for example, our LLMs don't know how to do the Google search. We attach a tool like that will do the Google search. So now our LLMs have the capability to do the Google search right now and fetch the new current result. And other thing is tool node. Tool node is basically a special type of node. The main job of tool node is to run a tool. It connects the tool's output back into the state so other nodes can use that information. If you are confused in these things, then don't worry. In next video we actually build our own tool and we'll see how to attach the tool with the LLMs and how to execute it. So for now that's it. Have a great day guys. We'll see you in next video, and don't forget to like and subscribe.